In the last episode, the Toque finalists travelled around the UK, visiting farms and a wine estate, learning everything there is to know about sustainable farming, but also getting hands-on with ingredients they will be cooking and serving as part of their fine dining challenge for Nestlé Professional. Before tackling the event, the finalists head to Borough Market to take in the gastronomic delights of one of London's oldest food markets. But the foodie fun mustn't stop the finalists from making preparations for today's challenge. And so, after their food insights, they head to St Mary's in Marylebone, the venue for tonight's extravaganza. The chef competitors will be creating Judge Louisa Ellis's menu, and it will be important for them to shine as individuals, but also come together as a team in the kitchen.
We've got a lot to do, a big mise en place list, so they're all really hard at work at the moment, and eventually we'll be ready for tonight. The guys are following the recipes, so hopefully if they continue to do that, not much can go wrong. Service is going to be extremely busy, so because we've got a lot of up and down stairs, and we've got to transport food up there and keep it hot. That's going to be probably the most difficult part of today, so we just need to work as a team to be able to get that right.
Front of house competitors need to dress the event space and plan accordingly. They will be serving the specially invited guests under the ever-watchful eye of Judge Raul Diaz.
The only concern that I have is very minimal. We want to show, particularly for the main course, a red sparkling wine, which is incredible, it's very, very new. The concern is the temperature. I think the most difficult part, it will be the connection, the sort of storytelling side from being in the farm, for example, seeing all that to the plate, to the glass, to link those things.
But with time moving on, do the competitors feel any nerves?
I need to concentrate, there's no time for feeling nervous.
I think everyone's just getting their head down and getting the job done, which is what we need to do,
Everybody knows what they're doing and hopefully everything goes to plan.
We're going to integrate all the experience we have on the past days and put in practice today.
We're plating up in front of the customers, so a bit nerve-wracking, but I'm sure we're all ready to go.
We're happy with how everything's going, so as long as it stays this way, we should be good.
It's all hands on deck, and no sooner said than done, the VIP guests arrive, and front of house need to step into gear. But timing is absolutely crucial when you have an event like this.
Currently, front of house are 20 minutes behind in service. The chefs are ready to go, they're all set up and ready. We want to get the food out perfect, so we're going to try and hold off as long as we can without it affecting the quality of the food. But at this rate, they need to really get a move on, otherwise we're going to be late.
And with cocktails and English sparkling wine finally served, guests take their seats and it is all systems go, with the opportunity for everyone to appreciate the story of farm to fork. On the menu, Loddington asparagus with a potato and truffle terrine served with Bolney Estate Chardonnay. For mains, a duo of Dingley-Dell pork with Loddington Bramley apple puree served with Bolney Estate Cuvée Noir. And a dessert of Dingley-Dell honey parfait with honeycomb.
I've been fortunate to be on a table with some of the farmers that the students and apprentices have been visiting, and to see the journey that the food's made and that they've made in learning about everything has been fantastic.
They've obviously had very good instruction and learnt and loved it. So really, really educational, which is brilliant.
These guys have just, knocked the ball out of the park with this meal tonight. It's absolutely superb. And, they've done massive justice to what we're doing at farm level.
So, happy diners and farmers indeed. But for the competitors, has everything lived up to expectation?
We've all done tremendously well today. It's gone great.
I was nervous at the start of the day, but as soon as we got into service, it just flowed. Everyone put on a good shift.
You never really know what's going to happen until you get here, and it's gone above and beyond what I ever thought. I've had incredible opportunities, visited incredible places, so I feel very lucky.
Next time, the Nestlé Professional Toque d'Or Award Ceremony takes place at Soho House in London.
The Nestlé Professional Toque d'Or winner is...
And which of this year's finalists will win the trip of a lifetime to Abu Dhabi and Dubai? This is no ordinary competition.